Hello everyone, it's Throwback Thursday time and I have another fun card for you. This one is a quick, easy card and it uses some bright paper, and the paper is the Happiness Blooms Designer Series paper. That paper is from, let's see if it has a year. No, I don't see a year on it, but it's been around a while because it has Call Me Clover, lovely lipstick, so some different colors, but I thought it would be fun to play with and to make a fun, bright spring card. So if you're ready, join me in the studio and I'll show you how. Okay, to get started, we need to gather our supplies. I am using the Artistically ink stamp set, specifically the Hello. I am using 2 pieces of that pattern paper. This one is 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. This one is 1 inch by 4 1/4. I have a piece of Calypso coral that's 3 by 3. I have a scrap paper, and I'll show you about the Post-it note in a minute. My card base is white and it's 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. I'm using some of the Call Me Clover ribbon. This is the ruched ribbon from that when it was out. I need my Calypso Coral ink pad. I also found some butterfly gems and I'm using those colors there. It says it's terracotta tile, but I matched it with the Calypso Coral and it looks great. And I have a retired tag punch. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to punch out our tag. And if you have a piece of scrap and it doesn't fit in there all the way, use a Post-it note to help hold it in place until you're ready to punch. A great tip for using, like, that's a perfect size for this, but you can't hold that, so that's what I use it for, and I love the fact that it works. Now, I am going to take my tag and I'm going to stamp my hello, and hopefully this, all right, let me check this out before I go too far. Okay, make sure it's on there straight. Now you can use any sentiment you want. Ooh, it didn't come off. I tend to use the hello a lot because it can be used for anything. All right, let's get our card put together. So I'm going to pull in my pieces like this, and I'm going to add my glue to my pattern paper. All right, now the paper says it's non-directional, but if you look at this, because of the way I've cut it, it doesn't look straight. This looks upside down. This looks right side up. So when you get your paper, look at how it is, because depending on how you cut it, it could have a top and bottom, so to speak. All right, let me get my card base. This is a quick and easy card, but so cute. All right, take this, and I'm going to add some glue to the back of this. And I'm going to add this to my card. And see, that's the only one that is upside down. It needs to be that way. I'm going to move this up just slightly. And I'm watching the centering side to side. It's a little bit wider than side to side. Now this piece is going to go on underneath of that. And I do want that strip to kind of, or that layer to show, because then it gives you the opportunity to kind of highlight that. And I did cut my pattern paper to go up and down because I liked the look of it. Depending on if you have this paper, you can cut it so that they go side to side. I liked it up and down. This piece is going to go on with dimensionals. So let me get my dimensionals out and get it set up and put down. Now, Amanda has some great cards also. So make sure that when you finish watching my video, you go over and check out her video. I'm using a lot of retired products, but I will be letting you know in the information section below what you can use that is current. And then this piece is going to go, I'm going to move it over like, nope, I'm going back here. I like it there, like so. And then I'm going to take my butterfly, put one there, one here, like so. And because you want to do it in groups of 3, I'm going to add another small one. In my kits, because the way I have another package of these, the way the, okay, oh, I think I'll put it there. The way they are, you may get 2 large and 1 small, or 1 large and 2 small, but you will get 3 butterflies. There's that. And then I am going to tie a bow. So you will get your bows already tied, ready to go. And I'm a little bow person, so my bow's going to be tiny. Okay. And then I'm going to use my scissors to cut my ends. And I'm going to put this on with a glue dot. Now, when you get yours and you're ready to put your glue dot on, you want to put one on one side of the knot and one on the other. And the reason you want to do that is it then grabs the ribbon so that if by chance somebody pulls on it, or when they're taken out of the envelope, it gets caught, it won't untie your bow. And your little bow goes there, and there it is. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh. Order your kit now. Remember, I only have 5 of them. And this one is a cute, cute card. Wasn't today's card super cute? You get everything you need in the kit to make this card. There is no stamping, so pull your supplies, find a stamp to go on there. And if you don't have stamps, handwrite it. Use some calligraphy, whatever you want on there. And you can use whatever sentiment you want also. Remember, I only have 5 kits. Order them right away. Don't miss out on this one. Check out Amanda's card. See what she's come up with for today. I hope I see you next Thursday for another Throwback Thursday idea. Bye.